Now, Jamaica won its first medal, a silver, at the 60th staging of the Caribbean Regional Table Tennis Championship inside the National Arena, where the Dominican Republic continues to dominate. Trishana McGowan reports.
The Dominican Republic followed up their team's success with wins in both men's and women's doubles events. The men's team triumphed over the Jamaican pair of Simon Tomlinson and Kane Watson in straight sets. The pair of Emil Santos and Samuel Galvez won 11-9, 11-6, 11-6. Earlier, the Jamaicans reached the final when they defeated Barbados by 3-2, while the Dominicans got their berth to the final when they beat the other Barbadian pair of Kevin Farley and Tyrese Knight.
It was a good final. I think we played good. I think my partner played good, and it was not easy, but I think we played really good today.
At home, playing, got the country's first medal, so we're very happy. Made it to the finals. We didn't have the best showing, but adjustments to be made and things that we can fix for the singles.
It's good to be amongst the medals. We wanted the goal, we're on home turf, so that would have been good, but we are grateful for the silver medal and we gave it our best.
The women's doubles title also went to the Dominicans as the team of Yasaris Ortiz and Eva Breta outclassed their teammates Esmeralyn Castro and Diana Rojas 11-4, 11-13, 11-1, 11-8. Ortiz and Breta reached the final with an impressive win over the Guyanese pair of Chelsea Edgehill and Natalie Cummings. Ortiz was proud of her doubles success.
We know each other because we play against our partners, like the other couple was from Dominican Republic too. So we know each other, and it was a little bit harder in the second game, but after we get it, yeah. It feels good. We already got 2 gold medals, and we're gonna keep going because still more competitions are coming.
Tomorrow is a rest day, and when play resumes on Friday, it will be the open singles competition for men's and women's. Trishana McGowan, TVJ Sports.